Dear students, we can see example 1.33. So what type of questions we are given means, so what is the cardinality of three sets? So how to find the cardinality of three sets? So according to 1.34 we can 1.33. So what is the question given here? In a residential area with 600 families, in a residential area 600 families, so totally 600 families there means that one what? So total means universal set they given, universal sets they given. So what is the universal sets? So total families, that means universal set. So number of universal sets, how much? 600 families there. So then after that 3 by 5 on scooter, 3 by 5 of them on scooter using now. So number of scooter users, scooter users, how to find? So fractionally given, so what type? 3 by 5 in 600 families, in 3 by 5 how much of them using scooter? So we can into 600 now. So then 1 5 is a 5, remaining one there, here book means 10 will come, 2 5 is a 10, here take 0, so 120 into 3, so it will come 12 3 is a 36, so add the 0, 360. So number of scooter users 360 families, using scooter. Next you can find, so what given question, 1 by 3 of them owned car, so number of car users, so number of car means n of c, number of car users how much? 1 by 3, so 1 by 3 in 600 families, so 1 3 is a 3, 2 3 is a 6, so take the zeros. So then n of c is equal to 200, so number of car users 200 families. So next you can find, next 1 by 4 of them using bicycle, so bicycle means n of b, so 1 by 4 into 600 families, so it will come 1 4 is a 4, 1 4 is a 4, remaining 2 there, here put means 20 will come, 5 4 is a 20, so take 0 here, so n of b, so number of bicycle users 150 families, number of bicycle users 150 families now. So next we have finds, so 120 families on scooter and car users, how much families there? 120 families. So number of scooter and car users, so 120 families, scooter and car using. So then 86 of them car and bicycle, so car and bicycles how much? So 86 families using. Then 90 families own scooter and bicycle, 90 scooter and bicycle users how much? 90 families using scooter and bicycle now. So then so 2 by 15 of them owned all the three types of vehicles, how much using? All the three type of vehicle means number of scooter intersection, car intersection, bicycle, so 3 also users, how much is fraction given? So 2 by 15 into 600, so how much will come? You can check here, so 1 15 is a 15, 4 15 is a 16, no 60, so remaining 1 0 there, take here, so 40 into 2, so number of scooter intersection, car intersection, bicycle, so how much will come? 80, so 80 of them, all the three users family, 80 families there now. So then here condition given means you have to verify it with Venn diagram. You have to do verify according to Venn diagram. We have to do verify now. So then, so first we can find what is the Venn diagram you are getting. So you are using three sets now. So three types of we can take. So what is that? So what type we can answer? Scooter, car and bicycle. Scooter, car and bicycle. So scooter users. So number of scooter users. So here number of universal set there. So universal set, how much family there? Number of universal set they given now. So you have to consider here what is the universal sets. So here given number of students, number of people. So previous question they didn't mention no. So how much family there, how much students totally there. So we found. So here they are already given. So how much number of families. So this universal set they given. So you have to consider. So universal set at 600. Universal set what? 600. No. So then scooter users. So number of scooter users 360. Then number of car users 200. Then number of bicycle users 150. Then scooter and car users 2 also users. So this 2 intersection in this only now. So 120. So then car and bicycle 2 also uses how much? 86. Car and bicycle uses 86 will come. Then scooter and bicycle uses how much? 2 also 90. So all the three. So how much of them? How much family using? 80 families using now. So then first you have to 82. In these three you have to do subtract now. Here from for these three common only 80. So minus 80 here minus 80 now. So then 120 minus 80 what will come? 40 now. Here 10 here 6. So then after that scooter full you have to take. So then scooter means which is in this only scooter. We are consider this part only for scooter part. So the remaining and all you have to do less now. So then you have to do add and subtract. What are remaining there? 40 plus 80 plus 10. 40 plus 80 plus 10. No. So then what will get? 360 minus 120, 130. No. So then remaining is 200 and so 30 will come. 230 will come now. So then after that you have to take what is the car? So then here minus 40 plus 80 plus 6 now. So then 200 minus so 126. So if you less means 74 will come. 74 will get now. So then after that bicycle you have to take bicycle. So bicycle means what will get? Minus 10 plus 80 plus 6 now. So then 150 minus 96 will come. So if you less means what will come? 54 will get. 54 now. So what condition given there? First condition what they given? First condition what they given? The number of families own at least 2 type of vehicles. At least 2 type of vehicles. The number of families own at least 2 type of vehicles. At least 2 type of vehicles. At least 2 types of vehicle uses. At least 2 types of vehicles. At least 2 type of vehicles means this only now intersection part you have to take. In this intersection part you have to take. So 40 plus 10 plus 6 plus 80. No. So then what will get? 50 136 will come. 136 families. No, 136 families. At least two types of vehicles uses how much? Two types of vehicles. 136 families. Next you have to find the number of families owned no vehicle. Number of families owned no vehicle uses. No vehicle uses how much there we have to find. Now, so then how to do find? We can find here. We can check here. Second condition, the number of families who own no vehicles. Number of families own no vehicles. So number of families own no vehicles. How to find? So total families how much? Total family means number of u minus total number of families. Total. What is that? At least want at least no vehicle or total in this every total. What is the total? So number of families how much? Number of families how much you have to add. Now, so what is the number of families? So what is the number of families there? So for scooter and scooter and car and bicycle. So every data we have to do add here. So number of universal set difference. Every data add means what we get. Here I am finding n of u minus. So every data add means what we get. 230 plus 40 plus 74 plus 6 plus 54 plus 10 plus 80. No. So then number of universal sets 600 families minus, if you add everything means what getting 494 getting 494. So then if you less means what will get 106. So at least so number of families own no vehicle. So no vehicle uses how much? 106 families. There is no vehicle. 106 families. There is no vehicle. So number of universals. Total families how much? To here how much number of families there? How much number of families? So total number of families. So if you less means users. Total number of family users is 3 types of vehicle users. Less means. So we will get. So what is the remaining under no vehicle users? Remaining under no vehicle users will get. Okay.